How to install Money Manager app on iPhone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install Money Manager expense and budget app on your phone. This app is a powerful tool for tracking expenses, managing budgets, and visualizing your financial habits. So let's get started. First, open App Store. Now type this search bar and type in Money Manager and hit search. Locate the correct app. This app should be listed as Money Manager Expense and Budget. This is the app. Now tap on this Get button right here. Tap on it. Now tap on Install. Now wait for a few minutes till the app gets installed. Once installed, tap on Open. And that's it. You are all set to start messaging your finances with Money Manager. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.